Merhaba food enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure through the vibrant streets of Turkey with a recipe that's both iconic and delicious, Lahmacun, also known as Turkish pizza. Join us in the kitchen as we unravel the secrets behind crafting this flavorful Turkish flatbread filled with aromatic spices and savory delights. Let's dive into the art of making Lahmacun. Ingredients for the dough: 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 packet active dry yeast. Ingredients for the topping: 300 grams ground lamb or beef, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 tomatoes, finely chopped, 1 red bell pepper, finely chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions for preparing the dough: in a bowl, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit until foamy. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, olive oil, salt, and the yeast mixture. Knead the dough until smooth, cover, and let it rise until doubled in size. Instructions for making the topping: in a skillet, cook ground lamb or beef until browned. Add chopped onion, tomatoes, red bell pepper, garlic, tomato paste, olive oil, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Cook until vegetables are tender. Instructions for rolling and baking: preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius, 425 grooves. Divide the dough into small balls and roll each into a thin oval shape. Spread a thin layer of the topping mixture over each dough oval. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden and crisp. Instructions for serving: sprinkle fresh parsley over the hot Lahmacun. Serve immediately, either folded or rolled. Conclusion: voila! You've just mastered the art of crafting Lahmacun, the Turkish flatbread of delight. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey through the streets of Turkey. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Afiyet olsun. Bon appetit.